Nobody cares if you show your face. They care if you solve a problem or grab their attention. And that's the truth people miss. You can build serious income online without ever turning on a camera, without becoming the face, and without putting your life out there. In fact, some of the highest earning creators and business owners stay completely behind the scenes. So if you've been holding back because you don't want to be on camera, this is your green light. Faceless income is real, but only if you understand how it actually works. And here's the foundation: people don't follow faces, they follow value. A face can help, sure, but it's not required. And what matters is delivering something useful, entertaining, or interesting. And once you understand that, the opportunity opens up fast. So let's break down the best faceless income ideas that actually work right now. First, a faceless content channel. This is one of the most powerful plays because in content is leverage. You can create once and it can pay you over and over. And think about videos that use stock footage, gameplay clips, animations, or simple visuals with voiceovers, or even just text motivation channels, finance breakdowns, storytelling facts, niche education. These are everywhere, and many of them are run by people you will never see. You don't need a fancy setup. You need good ideas, strong hooks, and the ability to hold attention. If your video answers a question, tells a compelling story, or teaches something valuable, people will watch. And once you have views, you unlock multiple income streams, ad revenue, affiliate links, and sponsorships. The key is picking a niche where people are already searching for content. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Just make the wheel spin better. And second is faceless social media pages. Instead of long videos, you focus on short form content, clips, quotes, tips, memes, or curated content in a specific niche. You've seen these pages: business tips, mindset quotes, fitness advice, random facts, luxury lifestyle clips, and most of them aren't original footage. They're curated and edited, and the growth is growth. And once the page gets traction, you monetize through promotions, shout outs, affiliate products, or sending traffic to your own offers. The advantage here is speed. And short form content can grow fast if you hit the right angles. The downside is you need consistency and volume. But again, no face required. And this is print on demand. And this is one of the simplest faceless business models. And you create designs for things like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, upload them to platforms that handle printing and shipping, and you earn a profit on each sale. You don't touch the inventory, you don't deal with shipping, you don't even talk to the customer most of the time. And the key here is niche in design. Random designs won't sell, but targeted designs, the funny sayings for a specific audience, relatable phrases, or trending topics can sell consistently. And if you understand what a group of people identify with, you can sell to them without ever showing your face. And fourth is digital products. This is where things get powerful because the margins there are insane. You create something once and you sell it forever. This could be templates, banners, guides, and ebooks, or presets, or tools that help people solve a specific problem. For example, if you understand social media, you can sell caption templates or content calendars. And if you understand organization, you can sell digital planners. And if you understand fitness, you can sell workout guides. And the key is specificality. Don't make broad generic products. Make something that solves a clear problem for a clear audience. And you can market all of this without showing your face for using content, ads, or niche pages. And fifth is affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest way to start because you don't need your own product. You promote someone else's product and earn a commission for every sale. And you can do this through your blogs, your niche websites, your YouTube channels, or social media pages, all faceless. And the key is trust. People need to believe that what you're recommending actually works. So instead of spamming links or create content that educates or reviews, break things down, compare options, and show the benefits. If you help make better decisions, they'll use your links. And over time, those commissions, they add up. Six is automation channels too, and outsourcing. This is where you stop doing everything yourself and start building a system. Let's say you run a faceless YouTube channel. You don't have to write the script, record the voiceover, and edit the video yourself forever. You can hire freelancers to do each part. And now you're not just creating content, you're running a content machine. And this is how some people run multiple channels at once. And they're not the creators, they're the operators. They find what works, they build a system and they scale it. And this takes time and some upfront investment, but it's how you turn faceless income into something big. And seventh is niche websites and blogging. This is old school, but it still works. You create a website focused on a specific topic, focus on the fitness, tech, finance hobbies, and write articles that answer questions people are searching for. And you know what? Over time, those articles rank on search engines and bring in traffic. And you monetize with ads, affiliate links, and products. It's slow at first, but once it builds, it can become very consistent. And again, no face needed. And let's talk about what actually makes these ideas work, because the model doesn't matter if you don't execute it correctly, okay? First is attention. If you can't grab attention, nothing else matters. Your titles, your hooks, your thumbnails, your first few seconds, this is everything. You need to make people stop scrolling. That means curiosity, clarity, or emotion. And second is value. Once you have attention, you need to deliver. If people click and leave, you lose. If they stay, watch, read, or engage, you win. And third is consistency. One post won't change your life, okay? One video won't make you rich, but repeated effort compounds. And the more you create, the more chances you have to succeed. And fourth is iteration. Pay attention to what works and do more of it. Pay attention to what fails and adjust. This is not guessing, it's testing. And the people who win are the ones who adapt the fastest. And let's address the biggest mistake people make with, the faceless income. They think it's passive from day one. It's not. In the beginning it works, okay? You're learning, you're testing, building, but over time, if you build the right system, it becomes more passive. Videos keep getting views, products keep selling, and links keep earning, and that's the goal. Another mistake is jumping between ideas. People try a channel for a week and then switch to print on demand and then try affiliate marketing, then quit. That's not strategy, that's distraction. Pick one path, commit, and give it time. Momentum comes from focus. And finally, understand this, okay? Faceless does not mean effortless. You still need discipline, creativity, and patience. You're just removing yourself as the brand, not the work. But if you stick with it, though, you can build income streams that don't rely on your time, your face, or a boss. So if you've been waiting for permission to start without being on camera, this is it. You don't need to be famous. You don't need to go viral overnight. You just need to start creating, start testing, and start building something that works, even if nobody knows it's you behind it. Thanks for watching. If you liked today's video, check out this video up here on the right. And also, like and subscribe. I'd love to hear from you down in the comments as well. I try to reply to every video that I can, or every comment. And we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day.